O karon si ate ang magluto. Tanaw na to yung magluto. Tanaw lang na to. Kanon ra di ay. Wala pa na man magluto siya og chicken adobo na may gata. So, manghilok sa sag. Take a look at me now.
Hi. Hi. I'm just gonna help my dad with something. So he just bought a saw. The thingy. It looks like this. And here is the furry little friend. Wonder if someone is home. Hi, Duda. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hey, maniud to. Naramong sadaan. Yay, maniud to ta. Ang humanami o panglimpi. Maniud to na mi karon. Sige, mga anta.
Here, let's go. Come. Hey, here. Show you how it goes with the dried meat. So yeah, just today I hanged up the deer meat, and the best place is down here in this utility room. That is usually it could be cleaned up, I think, but anyways, but here the closest, this is the pork. These are getting close to be done. They are very hard now, but as you can see they are very big. So I have 3 of those, and this is just the deer meat. I just make some hooks here that I can hang it on. Stainless steel, and yeah, this is then the deer meat, and I just have it watered down from early this morning and until about 6:30, so 12 hours ish watering out, so it's not too salty. And now they are gonna dry here, so here they are. And I'm hoping that at least the pork I know would be ready when